Quebec is key to the equation.
Quebec is 100% reliant on American supply. They could be self-sufficient.
I didn't see the project if there's one.
Quebec could make or break a new energy pipeline across Canada. Alberta's premier wants one with or without the province's help. François Legault says public opinion is shifting, and now he's open to discussing it.
We need to see what's the economic impact. If there's a project going through Quebec, we'll study it. That's all what I said.
That pressure on Quebec and the argument for an oil or gas pipeline across the country hinges on making Canada's economy more self-reliant. But is that worth it for Quebec?
I would say the mindset has changed tremendously over the last few months with the election of the new administration in Washington.
People who study this sector are divided over whether there will be long-term demand for oil and gas, as many countries try to shift away from using fossil fuels.
It's still a large market that's been growing over the last few years, and I think it's still time for Canadians to take a share of this growing market.
It's been tried before. In the province, LNG Quebec would have exported natural gas from the Saguenay region, but there were environmental risks as well as opposition from the public and Indigenous communities, so it was cancelled in 2021. But those concerns persist, as some suggest reviving it.
We didn't see any real impact in terms of benefit to First Nations. It's about balance, economics and the environment, nature, and all that.
We have the oil we need. We need to transition off it. A new infrastructure project is bad for this province. It's not for our benefit.
The 2026 provincial election could also throw a wrench in things. The Parti québécois and Québec solidaire have come out against any new pipelines, while the Quebec Liberals and the CAQ are not opposed to it. In any case, the province is still waiting for a private company to raise their hand and say they're willing to build it.